So when we were putting together, oh, by the way, it's Christine with Cocoa Daisy. When we were putting together the Booked for Spring collection, I knew we had to do another coffee kit using this artwork. It was absolutely perfect. The little birds holding their little coffee cups. I had to do it. And we haven't done a coffee kit. We did not have one last year, so the last one we did was 2024, I believe. So we were due, and I'm just really, really excited about it because it's super, super cute. And you get this great stamp set from In a Creative Bubble. She designed this. Love that. You get a cover as well. That's, to me, is like it is so hard to find covers. You can get a Traveler's Company cover, you can get other leather covers, but if you want any of the covers that have like the pockets and stuff like that, or any designs on them, they're really kind of rare. You don't find them as often. So I was excited to be able to do this. So it's a beautiful neutral, which I really like. So you have this pretty pattern on the side, and then on the front, it has the cute the original Cocoa Daisy Coffee Company with the coffee ring. And then on the back, which I just love, it says, "Come here, you beautiful cup of coffee, and lie to me about how much we're going to get done today." So true. That is on the back. And then included in the kit is this adorable little charm with the big coffee bean and the tiny little espresso machine. So that comes in the kit as well. And then let me show you the inside of this cover. So this side, you have your pen loop, and you have a pocket. You have 4 strings in here. So you can fit a lot in this. This is not a one notebook cover. You can fit a number of covers in this. You have a pocket here, you have another pocket here, and then you have 2 pockets here. This one, let's see if I can get it in. It's a little tight, and I think it's just because it's new, but you can fit the notepad. So you get this awesome notepad, and this notepad has 3 versions of the guest check. So you get the blue, the cream, and the pink. How fun is that? So you get 3 versions throughout with this. And these are great for junk journaling. I love, love, love these. And I have a coffee journal. I did a couple layouts in here to show you, but Zach and I go to coffee every once in a while, and we always try to find a new place, and then we rate it, and I always take pictures, and then I put that in my coffee journal and have a lot of fun with it. Before I move on, I wanted to mention that these guest checks work really, really well with these from the stamp set from the scrapbooking kit. Like, if you stamped that in the corner of the guest check, how cute would that be, right? So I had that in mind when I made it, or when I had it designed. I didn't make that, when I had that designed. So I think that would be a really, really fun way to combine the stamp set from the scrapbooking kit with those. I also did something a little different, and that was the papers that are in the kit are the large papers like we have in our planner kit. And the reason I did that is I knew I wanted to make a folder to go around my notebook. So instead of doing the memory keeping size papers, which are a little bit smaller and not folded like this, I wanted the larger ones to be able to make a folder. So you get the 3 sheets of large folded pattern paper. How cute is that, right? So you get that one, and then you get this one. And so this one, I folded it so that it's a little bit wider than my notebook. And then I took this pattern paper and I cut out and folded little edges so that I could glue it down, and I made pockets on each side. So I can hold some of my die cuts. I can hold you get these 2 larger tags that are included in the kit. If I want to have some of my smaller stickers, they'll fit in here. Some more of these will fit in there. If I have little ephemera or receipts or anything like that that I want to put in there, I can do that as well. If I want to wrap some washi tape around an acrylic card and tuck it in there, I can do that, because look how cute. Isn't that cute, washi tape, the stacked cups? So that's why I wanted to have, and I just thought it would be kind of fun. You could, instead of making the pocket, you could just cover one of the notebooks with the pattern paper. You could totally do that. As a side note, the clip is from my stash. That is not part of the kit, just FYI, but the die cut is. So I just kind of clipped that on there. This is one of the die cuts, and I stamped the freshly brewed on there. Thought that was really cute. And then this was one of the die cuts. So for the notebook, you could totally use one of our standard size notebooks from the collection. That would be totally cute because it's going to match. If you wanted to just use this as a regular, just fun cover that's coffee themed, you can totally do that. And then the standard booklet will fit in there. You could use this for a week size booklet as well. I mean, it's going to be a little bit bigger, but that's not a big deal, right? I mean, you could use it for that size. I went with, because I wanted to completely have free reign as far as my layouts went, I grabbed one of our basic standard size notebooks. And what that means is that there's absolutely nothing on it. So the only thing it has is just this little label area. Everything else is just a grid and then blank on the back. So you can customize this however you want. They're great for travel journals, or if you have your own style, or you want to have multiple themes. Like if you love the Cocoa Daisy stickers but you just get a few stickers every month and you want to switch it up, then the basic notepad's a great one. We also have an A5 that has a black cover that is totally plain like this as well, that you could use pattern paper with it and customize it and do whatever you want. So let's take a look at what I did. So I added a little die cut to the front. It comes with this great little envelope, which again, great for storing ephemera in, or receipts, or if you collect stickers from the various coffee shops that you go to, you could put them in there. There's a really fun, I should mention. So you can buy the coffee kit, or the coffee kit with the sticker kit. You can bundle them or buy them, or buy just the coffee kit. But the just coffee kit comes with this sheet of stickers. Aren't they cool? They're like labels, right? So I just kind of ran that off the edge on there, and I adhered that to the inside cover. So I have this. Then I stamped the Drink Good coffee, and this coffee will fit in this one. So I stamped it in the lighter blue. I added the little rub-ons of the little coffee splash there, and then I added that little stamp of the pour over coffee as well. And then my first layout, I used some of the alpha stickers that are part of the kit. I did some stamping, a lot of stamping around it. One of the little rub-ons, some more stamping, added my journaling, and then used one of the cute little guest checks, stamped on that as well, added my pictures. There's a little die cut. And I stamped on the photograph. If you're going to stamp on your photographs, use some Stays-On ink, because if you're going to stamp on a glossy surface, you need to use a special ink or it will just smear. So I stamped the little caffeine fix on there, and it turned out really, really cute. And then for this layout, I actually used some of the ephemera from the coffee shop. So there's the little sleeve, there's the little flyer they had because they just opened, the little stickers that they stick on your coffee cup. I did some more stamping on there, some more stickers, die cut, and it turned out really, really cute. I absolutely loved the stamp set. I used the stamp set all over on these. And I also like that this little stamp is one that I can kind of put or incorporate on every single page, and it's going to make the whole book feel really cohesive. So that's a couple of layouts that I did using some of the product. There's a ton of product in here. There's also an embroidery patch that has an adhesive back that you can add to, it to your planner or your cover if you want, or if you want to put it on the notebook. There's a couple of different ways you can use that. If you want to put it on your tote, or if you have a pouch for your coffee journaling. This little guy is a washi cutter. He is so adorable. So you would use that if you want to cut washi. I don't know if you're familiar with how to do that. You just put it down and you can tear, and it gives you a nice clean edge. So that's what he is. He's also just really, really adorable. So you get that as well. So that is a look at the fun little project that I did using the new coffee kit. And just as a reminder, the notebooks are not included with the kit. You have to purchase those separate, but the cover and then all of the other goodies are a part of the kit.